Ain't nobody gonna believe this. Okay, say it again.
He ain't got no guts. I cleaned him out.
It's a bowfin.
He ain't got no head. It's in the sink.
But he's still alive.
And I am fighting him left and right to scale him.
There ain't no freaking way this is real.
Yeah, it's...
There ain't no... Do it again.
Okay, wait.
This can't be real. He ain't got no guts. He ain't got no head. The hell? I don't believe that.
You have to use a towel. He's slippery.
Oh my God.
He ain't got no head.
Oh my God. Do it again.
Hold on to him, right?
No guts.
No guts. There ain't no guts in there. See, I done skinned him, and now I'm just...
He should be ready to put in the pan. Oh my God. Oh.
It's unreal. Uh-oh.
I don't believe this.
I'm telling you.
His muscles are still moving. His muscles still work.
Yeah. Nerves, muscles, everything. He's trying to come around and bite me.
Is his head moving when he does that?
No. No, the head's
I'm
dead.
afraid to touch it.
No, the head's dead. But I put him down there. He's dead now. Oh!
Ain't nobody gonna believe this. What the hell? He's pissed.
You think?
I don't believe this. I'm gonna try to get this on YouTube. Dave's got to see this.
I'm telling you. I'm sitting there. I'm scaling him, and he's fighting me the whole time.
Okay, do it again.
Wait. Watch. I go to scale him.
Damn it.
He's I mean, you feel his muscles? They're still moving.
I can see.
Put your hand here and feel those muscles. He is still moving his muscles. The nerves and everything are still working.
Okay, do it.
Now watch. Wait a minute.
Oh God. How can that be?
I have no idea.
How can that be?
Well, they said it's a prehistoric animal.
Yeah, it is supposed to be one of the
oldest fish in the sea.
fish there is.
Yeah, but I mean, you just go. I mean,
that we actually still have.
He's fighting me the whole way. I mean, get over there.
Holy shit. No, Joe, you can't have him. You're ours. You want me to get that thing out of the...
No.
Then you don't have to hold him.
No. He's going to come up this way. He's trying to bite me with no head.
Oh, he started quivering. Did you see that?
Yeah. Missy would lose it.
Oh my God, this is wild.